Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a chain snake. Let's get started. First, you're going to need 3 green paper, some crayons, tape, and a pencil or a crayon. So I'm going to start out with one piece of we need some scissors. Let me just pause the video to get some. So guys, I'm back with some scissors. So now we are going to get one piece of a paper, scissors, one piece of the green paper, and we're going to get the pencil. So put away the other 2 pieces of green paper. So now we're going to draw like a line. Like that. Then we're going to do it until the thing, there's no more space. There. So, like that. Then we're going to do it with another piece of paper. We're not going to do it with the other because the others were another piece. There. Now we're going to get our... So you guys should ask a parent to cut these for you. So I'm going to pause the video right now and cut. So guys, I finished cutting all of them. Right here. And I made a big one because... Wait, why did I make one? Oh yeah. So now we're going to fold our extra piece of paper and bring it down, like to make it look like that. And now we are gonna get our pencil and draw a U line. From the bottom to the top. Now it has a face. So now we're gonna cut that out. Get 2 pieces. Now we're going to get our tape. Wait, just put all this away. Now we're going to get our tape. And I get that long for me. And we're going to tape them both together. So how to do that is to tape both sides with one piece of tape. Just take that piece off of there. Now we got them out. Now we are going to get back our, my pencil. And to get back my pencil. Okay. Now we're gonna get our pencil and draw 2 circles like that. Now we're gonna draw 2 eyeballs inside both of them. And now we are going to get those strips of paper we made earlier. So we're gonna get the big one I made and fold it back. We're gonna get a piece of tape. Now we're gonna put one side like that. And tape it, or you can glue it. So here's the chain bit. And now we're going to take the bottom piece and tape it. And then we're going to get another one, but make it through here, like this way, to make it look like a circle. So one's facing that side and one's facing that side. And then we're going to tape it. And now we're gonna continue in doing that same pattern until you run out of strips. So let's pause the video and do it. So guys, I just finished, and now here's the chain string. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!